Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to on flashlight on your mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on camera. Then from here you have to click on this option. This is the lightning. So click on this lightning. If you click on this lightning into yellow color, the flashlight will be on. Okay, and if you want to off, it will be cut like this. See, it has been cut, right? It has been set off. So you can set on the flashlight like this on your mobile phone, and if you want to off also, you can off like this. It's very easy. If you want to on, if you want to off, you can off it. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.